Alright, so I was going in to start editing this next video, and I fucked up. I got a new camera, and you have to turn on the little microphone like thing. It's an actual microphone. It's not just like a small little crappy one. You know what I mean? It's like a microphone on top of the camera. Forgot to turn it on. So the intro video has no audio. Everything has no audio really. So everything's getting dubbed. This is your intro. I got no jokes.
Besides myself.
I am the joke. But I got a new camera and it's 4K, I guess like 2.7K Ultra. And that's the best I can do for you today. Like I already ate the burritos. I can't redo it. I'm not gonna eat 2 burritos for your pleasure. I mean, I enjoy the burritos, but I'm not doing it again. So this is what you're gonna get.
Alright, so we're going to start off with this Thanksgiving burrito. We got to get a big burrito tortilla, like 10 inches. What I have is lavash bread, which is pretty much just like a Bulgarian burrito tortilla. Anyways, we're going to put it in a medium-high, medium saute pan. And we're just trying to heat this up to get the fats nice and like flexible. So the fats are going to help the flour get flexible. We do not want to brown this. We just want to fiddle with it, move it around a bit, get it warmed through. Eventually it'll become quite pliable as you see here. Alright, so it's ready, it's warm. We're going to start with our nice soft base of mashed potatoes. Spread that out evenly. Make sure we have 2 inches on each of the sides, and then 3 on the other side, so we can fold this later. Next we're going to go in with our turkey, obviously. And then here we got the stuffing. This is the cornbread stuffing I had in the recipe before. Next we're going in with the roast veg. This is mostly sweet potatoes. It's got like a balsamic glaze on it. And I'm dumping some of that dripping in there. Yep, get that. Oh, here we go. We got to throw in some of the not the dressing, it's gravy. You gotta put the gravy in. Do not forget the crunchy onions and the other things, the green beans. The green bean casserole. Alright, so we're gonna tuck the sides in, the short sides, and then we're gonna take the other side, the long side, and we are going to press it under the front. We're going to get it real tight, and then we're just going to roll forward, nice and tight. Keep it tight. Roll it forward, press in the sides if you need to. It's going to work out for you. Just make sure it's tight. And we're going to go back into a medium-high, medium heat pan. We're going to put the tortilla wrap seam down. We're going to let it cook for like 30-45 seconds on each side. If I had a microphone, you'd be able to hear the nice crunchiness of this tortilla, this burrito, in fact. But, you know, I'm an idiot. I don't have the microphone. After you get the seal closed, we're gonna heat up each side. We're gonna brown each side. Obviously, use a spoon. This is the only implement we ever need in the kitchen, besides everything else. Alright, once it warms through, I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to let it steam in the pan with a covering for like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever. And you're just going to roll it onto a plate, because you're a champ. We got a fucking Thanksgiving tortilla burrito bomb right here. Alright, get yourself the worst knife possible and just cut this thing on a diagonal. Just look at what you've created. Look at that. Thanksgiving burrito. Look. Pretty nice. To be honest with you, when I was eating this, you can see on my face, I'm not as impressed as I should be. It's a little cold on the inside. I should have thrown it in the microwave or like heated up the ingredients before I wrapped them. But it was okay. I'm probably saying some other dumb stuff here because I'm an idiot. But anyways, if you have leftovers of any kind, not just Thanksgiving, you can wrap them up in a tortilla and make a burrito. So do that or something. I don't know. Who cares?